Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today for the drawing and final video montage of the DP for Veterans event this year. A huge thank you to everybody who participated, and we're just going to jump into the montage. So there you go, guys. There is all the lovely finishes that everyone had for the event. Again, a huge thank you to everybody who participated. And now to the part that you really, really want to get to, and that is who the winners are. So I've got my trusty little wheel here. Hopefully that is all in focus, and I'm going to spin it to see who wins the grand prize. And the winner is Karen Stewart. Congratulations, Karen. So Karen, I need you to send me an email at diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com. Let me know your mailing address, and I will see how quickly I can get that out to you. It may take a little longer than anticipated. Since you're in the US, that may necessitate me taking a drive to the US to mail some stuff. We'll see what happens. I actually have 2 prizes, so I'm going to spin the wheel again and we'll see who the winner of the second prize is. Let's spin the wheel. Hopefully this is in focus. Nancy! Ooh, I think Nancy lives in Canada, so I'll have to figure out how I can do that since the post office is currently on strike. Anyway, Nancy is the winner. Congratulations, Nancy. Nancy, if you will also contact me via email, diamondpaintinganonymous@gmail.com, and let me know what your mailing address is so that I can get those prizes sent out. So Nancy and Karen, congratulations. And again, a huge thank you to everyone who participated. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too. And I'm looking forward to it for next year, so make sure you put it on your calendars. That's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.